on. Turn the radio on, it's Friday night, and I won't be long. Turn the radio on, it's Friday night, and I won't be long.
Morning Delhi. It's 9:23 by Studio Clock, and you are listening to Radio On. I'm your host and your host, RJ Saket, with my partner in crime, RJ Anvesha, and we are here to spice up your mornings.
We will fill your days with news, entertainment, music, and so much more. And today, we brought you a very exciting segment. Some drum rolls, please. It is called From India with Love.
Yes, you heard us right. We are talking about our Indian players who are competing in the Paris Olympic 2024, dedicating their blood, sweat, and tears to make all of us very proud.
For the ones who still haven't switched on their TVs after T20, let me share the biggest news with you today. So folks, this year India is looking to top its previous medal tally of 7 in Tokyo Olympics by sending its best athletes to compete in the Paris Olympics. We're officially on day 5 and we have seen the conquering duo of Manu Bhaker and Sarabjot Singh claiming a bronze medal in the 10-meter pistol shooting. And our hockey team is already in the top of Pool B.
And the quest is on with Lakshya Sen, HS Pranoy and PV Sindhu still in the race to the semi-finals.
Yes! India! India! And today we'll be sending all your wishes to them.
So if you people have messages from them, then you have turned to the right channel. We, your favorite RJs, will be sending our pegams all the way to Paris.
All you have to do is pick up your phone and dial 201-2012 to Radio On. Cause when we're on, the tension's gone. So show some love, Delhi.
Look, we already have our first caller.
Hello RJ Anvesha and Saket. This is Karan from Punjabi Bagh. I'm a huge fan of Lavlina Ji's boxing. What fine punches. Last year her bronze was amazing and I have high hopes from her this time. Lavlina Ji, you bring us a medal soon. Your fans in Delhi are waiting with chole bhature te lassi for you.
Oi hoi Karan, chole bhature, you touch my heart, sir.
Heart? More like I think your stomach.
Guilty, but I'm sure Lavlina would love this bride.
Now it's time for a song dedication. And it's a real crowd pleaser. One of our fans dedicated this to all our athletes and everyone out there fighting for something. So, guys, we'll be back after a short break.
You're listening to Radio On because when we are on, tension's gone.
You're a good soldier, choosing your battles. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it seems we're getting serious, it's over. The pressure is on, you feel it, but you've got it all, believe it. Nam nam eh eh, waka eh eh, nam zangaleva, 'cause this is India. Nam nam eh eh, waka eh eh, nam zangaleva, 'cause this is India.
Anvesha, as we are talking about sports, we have a very special guest with us tonight.
Known for his explosive batting and ready to start with, get ready for a roller coaster of nostalgia and the classic Sidhuism that brings every game a joyride.
Yes guys, it is happening with the one and only Navjot Singh Sidhu.
Thank you Aditya, Anvesha and Saket. Commentary and sports guru, it's a blessing. And with this comeback of mine, I feel as though I finally returned home.
Sir, we love to have you in our studios. Your commentary just feels like two friends chatting away to glory in the bedroom.
So true. With you in this room, sir, the energy is absolutely lit. So I would like to ask you, what are your opinions on all the athletes that have went for Paris Olympics this year?
You know, some succeed because they're destined to. But they succeeded because they're determined to. As a fan, I only have praises and praises for those young athletes. And believe me, Guru, these Indian athletes are going to crush these French croissants. And the other countries will need a hanky at the end. Arey, thoko tali. Chalo.
Sidhu ji, now that we have you in the studio, I don't think we can miss this magical opportunity to hear you.
Are you thinking what I am thinking, Anvesha?
Yes, Saket, because great minds think alike.
Sir, we witnessed your amazing commentary in the T20 World Cup, which left us crazed and entertained. So, Anvesha, can we turn this studio into a commentary box?
Why not? Sir, if you were given the chance to live commentate for any of our Olympic moments, which one would that be?
It would be an unimaginable dream, Anvesha, but if I got the chance to choose, might I be delusional? I would choose the gold Chopra.
सर तो हो जाए.
Alright, here comes the javelin maestro Neeraj Chopra. He's completely relaxed. He's sipping his tea. He's lounging on his little sofa. कहते हैं सिकंदर हालात के आगे नहीं झुकता, तारा टूट भी जाए तो जमीन पे नहीं गिरता. अरे गिरते हैं हजारों दरिया समुंदर में, पर कोई समुंदर कभी दरिया में नहीं गिरता. दरिया में नहीं गिरता. अरे ठोको ताली. With a name like that, you would expect him to already be a wicked fast bowler. He might already have a medal before even picking up the javelin. Oh, and here he goes. Are Guru Hoja Shuru. The runner is so quick. Oh my, I can't see him. And he pushes forward, and the javelin hits the air. He says hello to the Mangal Grahavasi and comes right back. Look at that. That's the surety of a master who knows that his javelin has landed where it was aimed. We love him because he has given us his absolute. What an incredible form. And look at that. It's 88. 88 on the first throw. The champion is bringing home the gold this time, Guru.
Sir, that was just crazy. Now I can finally die in peace because I've seen the magician do his work with my own eyes.
Sir, that was indeed an absolute treat, and I think for all of our listeners too. We have so much to talk with you, but we will be back after a short break.
So let's make our sponsors happy. But wait, where are you guys going? Stay connected to Radio On because when we are on, tension's gone.
This show is powered by Fresca, Pulp in Every Girl, and sponsored by Nivea.
Papa, everyone makes fun of me. I stink after the gym class.
No more smell and no more discomfort. Try Nivea roll on, no more sweat particles. Thank you.